Today, we are learning about direct speech. Direct speech means the exact words a character says. Look at this sentence. The dragon said, "I am hungry." We know what the dragon said, but the punctuation is missing. To write direct speech correctly, we must put the exact words spoken inside speech marks. We also add a comma after the reporting clause. Now the sentence becomes, the dragon said, comma, open speech marks, "I am hungry," full stop, close speech marks. Direct speech has two important parts. First, we have the reporting clause. This tells us who is speaking. Then we have the exact words spoken, which go inside the speech marks. We can also choose better speaking verbs. Instead of always using said, we can use words like whispered, shouted, or asked. These words help the reader understand how the character spoke. Now it's your turn. Fix this sentence. The knight said, "I can help you." Can you add the missing comma, speech marks, and full stop? Pause the video and have a go. You might write, the knight said, comma, open speech marks, "I can help you," full stop, close speech marks. Great job. The exact words spoken are inside the speech marks. Well done. You now know what direct speech is. Remember, some books use double speech marks and some books use single speech marks. Both can be correct, but you should choose one style and keep it the same throughout your writing.